Hi, this is Timmy the Tiger. The Adventures of Timmy the Tiger is a children's book that follows the exciting and imaginative journey of a young tiger named Timmy. Timmy is a brave and kind-hearted tiger who loves to explore the wilderness and have fun with his animal friends. Oh, it's koala! Kuko the koala! Koalas can be found in southeastern and eastern Australia, while koalas are national symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. They can only be found in the wild on southeast and eastern sides of Australia, along the coastlines of Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia, and Victoria. They live high up in eucalyptus trees of native bush lands and forests, usually perched between the forks and the tree's branches. Owls are birds from the order Strigiformes, which includes over 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey, typified by an upright stance, a large broad head, binocular vision, binaural hearing, sharp talons, and feathers adapted for silent flight. Monkeys use all 4 limbs, 2 arms, and 2 legs to walk and run. Their hands and feet are good for grasping tree branches. Monkeys have a coat of hair on most of their bodies, many types of bare areas of skin on the face and buttocks. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf, is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. More than 30 subspecies of Canis lupus have been recognized, including the dog and dingo. Though gray wolves, as popularly understood, only comprise naturally occurring wild subspecies. Tiger cubs are born blind and are completely dependent on their mother. Newborn tiger cubs weigh between 785 and 1,610 grams. The tiger cub's eyes will open sometimes between 6 to 12 days. However, they do not have their full vision for a couple of weeks. What do tiger cubs eat? Tiger cubs drink their mother's milk to survive. But when they're grown a little and are between 6 to 8 weeks old, they can eat regular food too. By the time they're 6 months old, they don't need milk anymore. Tigers are carnivores, which means they eat meat.